guys, it's Ryan with Launch the Journey. In today's video, it's going to be a helpful video if you're new to investing in the stock market. I'm going to show you what the VWAP is, what it stands for, and how you can use it to grow your account. If this is the first time you've ever been to the channel, Sam and I do helpful videos on stock market investments. We show you our account and how we grow it, and also we show people how to make a passive income so that they can escape the 9-to-5 rat race and enjoy real financial freedom. So if that interests you, Sam and I would invite you to go down and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll be alerted whenever we come out with new videos. So I'm going to shrink my screen down and show you the screen. Are you seeing yourself, Jacob? So it doesn't really matter as long as you have the study. Don't really matter which stock it is. This corner here. Okay, so it doesn't really matter what stock you're on. We're currently on Tesla. It had a great horizontal pattern yesterday, and so I just wanted to use this as a reference. And so the VWAP, you have three parts of the VWAP. So you have the bottom. This is the yellow line. It's the bottom VWAP. You have this purple line, and you can color code it however you want to. So this purple line for me is the middle VWAP, and this red line at the top is the top VWAP. And if you go over here, we're going to go over here, and this is on the Investopedia. The definition of the VWAP, it stands for volume weighted average price. Okay, and it is the trading benchmark used especially in pension plans. VWAP is calculated by adding up the dollars traded for every transaction price, multiplied by the number of shares traded, and then divided by the total shares traded for the day. Sounds very technical, but all you really need to know is that it helps you understand where the buyers are and where the sellers are. So for this instance, the VWAP did push down, but you can actually see the horizontal pattern where you see resistance points. So this bottom yellow line, especially in the horizontal pattern, it's going to be like close to your support lines. And this middle VWAP could be a resistance point unless it breaks through. And then this top VWAP will be the top resistance point unless it breaks through. Now if you look at Apple, the last few days it's been trading up. So you can see, like yesterday, as an example, it traded horizontal, hit the bottom VWAP 2 times, it broke that middle, it hit the top, and it broke this pre-market high and started pushing that top VWAP up, and it started trading between the 1-minute EMA and the top VWAP for the rest of the day. So if you just use those technical indicators with the VWAP strategy, you'll know, you'll have a good understanding of where your support and resistance lines are. So that's pretty much all I wanted to share with you today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.